Let's animate some rain. First, draw your rain, but make sure that it's on a different layer than your cloud. Then turn on Animation Assist, and then make sure you turn on your background and lock it into place. Then group your rain and your cloud together. And once you do that, duplicate the layer and grab the eraser and go on the rain layer. Then you're going to want to select the same brush that you used to draw the rain and shorten these lines that you created with the rain. And just do this for rain variation, just like when it drizzles or it pours, there's different patterns. What this is going to do is give the illusion of rain falling. And now we're going to duplicate this layer so we get our next animation. And go select the rain again. This time I'm rotating it. Use the yellow anchor to rotate it so that way when you stretch it, it goes even instead of all wonky and distorted. Especially when you use this freeform tool, it'll stay into place instead of going sideways. Now just duplicate your layer again and select the rain and adjust it. And once you're finished with that, you're going to make sure all your layers are on and press play. This will show you the animation of your rain. Now you go to the settings and you can adjust your frames to make it slower. I'm going to slow mine down just a little bit more, and then this is the animation of the rain.